Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making strawberry and cream cake roll. Making cake rolls might seem a bit tricky and intimidating. I promise you that this recipe is totally foolproof, and I bet you that even unexperienced bakers could pull this off. This cake roll is light and fluffy and generously filled with a super delicious strawberry cream filling. So let's get started. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 28 x 35 centimeters baking sheet. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 3 eggs, 80 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this on medium-high speed until the mixture turns pale and fluffy. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now we can sift in the 80 grams of all-purpose flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Fold the flour mixture into the egg mixture by using a rubber spatula, simply like this. We can now pour the mixture into the prepared baking sheet and spread it evenly. I'm just going to use my rubber spatula to do this. Bake this for about 12 to 13 minutes until it turns golden brown, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. In the meantime, we can lay a clean tea towel on our work surface and dust it with 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will prevent the cake from sticking. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 12 minutes. I'm just going to turn the hot cake onto the prepared tea towel and gently remove the parchment paper from the cake. Now we can start to roll the cake up from the longest edge, just like so. We are going to let this cool down completely. Meanwhile, we can start to make the strawberry cream filling. In a large mixing bowl, add the 250 milliliters of heavy whipping cream and beat this until stiff peaks form. Now we are going to add in the 200 grams of sour cream, 4 teaspoons of whipped cream stabilizer, 100 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this until everything is well combined. This is how the cream should look like. I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of the cream for garnishing later on. Now we can add in our diced strawberries and gently fold them into the cream by using a rubber spatula. My cake has cooled down completely, so I can now unroll the cake. We can now spread our cake evenly with a strawberry cream filling. This filling is so yummy. Therefore, I make sure to fill this cake roll with a generous amount of the cream. I'm going to roll up the cake again, just like so. I have transferred my cake roll onto a serving plate, and I'm going to refrigerate this for about 2 hours before garnishing. Now my cake is ready for decorating. First off, I'm going to dust about 1 tablespoon of confectioner sugar on top of my cake. I can now fill a piping bag with a 1/4 cup of the cream, and I'm just going to pipe 6 swirls on top. I also have a few strawberries left, which I cut into half, and I'm just going to place them on top of the swirls. Take a look at this beautiful cake roll and the delicious strawberry cream bursting out of it. This cake roll has a perfect amount of sweetness. It's so light in texture and filled with two of my favorite things, whipped cream and fresh strawberries. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Make sure to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!